Dr. Agrawal was also introduced to Professor Neelu Bhullar at NDI Gurgaon.
Marketing is the philosophy is about value creation. It's about how do you convince the customer on the other side that what you have to offer is of value. And I just feel that if we can convince the public at large to buy Cokes and Pepsis, then we can also use the marketing philosophy to convince them this is something that they can do and to promote noble causes like these amongst the corporates, among the larger public.
You are brought for a month or two some project.
We encourage our students and faculty both to participate in socially relevant projects and contribute into the society because we feel it is our social responsibility. When this project came in front of us through Professor Neelu Bhullar, I also felt very excited because through this project we could apply some of our concepts which we try to tell our students whether they would work. And we found that yes, it can if you have the sincerity and the dedication and hard work.
Initially I wasn't sure what is exactly that I could do. When I checked with him at that point of time, he was working from his clinic. He said he would need support if some kind of money could be raised to provide lunch for the students or arrange for their transportation. And perhaps later a bigger space where his training center could be shifted because it could not adjust more than 8 people and there was more demand. So I thought that maybe I need to look at something which is long run, more sustainable rather than just raising money for a few lunches. But later I was able to speak to Team Computers along with Professor Kapoor.
They were really struggling to get a physical space where they could house, and they were cramped up in a small location. We had some space available, and what they needed was the basic infrastructure, computers and a basic office space. So we had it ready in a couple of days, and I think week 1 we were operational.
Imparting computer skills is not enough. Today, soft skills are equally crucial in the corporate world. And Dr. Agrawal had people orienting the students in this aspect.
Tring tring. Hello.
हेलो
नमस्कार.
नमस्कार.
क्या मैं दीपा जी से बात कर सकता हूँ?
जी हाँ, बोल रही हूँ.
दीपा जी, मैं कोटक महिंद्रा लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कंपनी की तरफ से सूरज बात कर रहा हूँ.
जी कहिए सूरज जी.
Dr. Agrawal trained some in the area of selling insurance products.
5 साल तक इन्वेस्ट करते हैं तो आपको 2,15,000 दिया जा सकता है. बहुत अच्छी बात है.
किस नेचर का बिजनेस है आपका?
Selling insurance products, a far more complex work for the visually challenged, as they do not have the luxury of referring to notes while making their marketing calls.
सर, आप इतनी मेहनत से पैसे कमाते हैं और सर कंस्ट्रक्शन में तो कितनी धूप वगैरह में घूमना पड़ता है ना सर? आपको दुख भी होता होगा कि मैं इतना मेहनत से पैसे कमाता हूँ और मेरे सारे पैसे गवर्नमेंट ले जाती है. अगर आप वही पैसे हमारे पास सेव करते हैं तो सर आपके पैसे डबल भी हो जाएंगे. ठीक है, अगर आप चाहें तो हम अपने RN की एक छोटी सी मीटिंग रखवा देते हैं. जो चीज़ आपको मैंने बताई है सर, वही चीज़ वो आपको रिटर्न में दिखा देंगे. ठीक है.
Tata Indicom call center, 1-year job.
When it comes to jobs, Dr. Agrawal does not restrict himself to his own students and has invited candidates from across India. The core objective, after all, is to provide gainful employment to the disadvantaged.
Sir, my full name is Swati Sinha. I'm from Jharkhand. I also did 6 months PGDC course in technical communication and web content. Actually, my sister, she has to appear here for an interview with Nokia Siemens. She came to know this by the ad given by Mr. Jitendra. What I found, like myself, is very much impressed by the positive attitude which he is having. I myself was not aware of this, though I was knowing like institutions or NGOs do like this. But first time I myself met with this, so it's very, very, very nice talking to him as well as his approach.
Hi Jyoti. How are you doing?
Good.
Please sit.
I did my bachelor's in business studies. After that, I was preparing for GAT. I
Again, I'm preparing for MBA and side by side I'm doing CS and I'm doing this NSM training.
See, our basic philosophy and objective for supporting any CSR programs is that we should make them sustainable. They should be something related to the technology, because we are a technology company. It struck me that why not we give them some employment opportunities. So we give them the initial support where this institute blossoms up, and then in turn make them sustainable in a way that they also work for us. Nokia Siemens Networks is in the business of setting up wireless and wireline infrastructure. The engineers go out in the field, do their installation and commissioning jobs, and once they finish, they are supposed to report back certain parameters into the system. We struck upon a common thought, why not the reports what these people send back to our system is handled by the people who are disabled, and then these disabled people then work out on those reports and feedback to our main system. So we provided voluntary training from the NSN Academy team, who went there, checked their basic education levels and selected few people who can be trained on the telecom domain. So we started imparting training to them for a few days, including Dr. Jitendra himself, because we wanted him to also learn some telecom fundamentals. So we developed a software which could contain and capture the parameters first on the voice format, and then translate that voice format into an Excel sheet, and then Excel sheet then gets plugged to our main software for the electronic project management, which is called as EPM. So the entire integration was possible. This is where the uniqueness of this whole program came in. We finally also decided to employ one of their students. Apart from this, we also will be regularly giving this opportunity of EPM work to the people who are there in a school, and the main logic behind that is that people with different disabilities cannot come to your office all the times.
कस्टमर जो भी कहते हैं, जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन हमें देते हैं, उसे हम माइंड में रिकॉर्ड कर लेते हैं, फिर फ़ोन रख के फिर एंटर करते हैं हम। जहाँ पे जो ऑप्शन होता है उसे वहाँ पे कर्सर रख के हम उसे सेलेक्ट करते जाते हैं। डील करने में दिक्कत तो नहीं आती है, प्रॉब्लम बस इतना है कि हमें कीबोर्ड के साथ काम करना होता है, और जो नॉर्मल होते हैं वो मतलब फटाफट माउस से क्लिक कर लेते हैं। माउस हम यूज़ नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि माउस विजिबिलिटी के आधार में चलता है ना, हमारे तो विजन है ही नहीं, तो हम कैसे यूज़ करेंगे। ये कंपनी को जितने भी स्टाफ से उन्हें भी नहीं पता था कि ब्लाइंड लोग कैसे काम करते हैं, फिर भी इन लोगों ने हमें डिस्करेज नहीं किया। इन लोगों ने हमें बहुत इनकरेज किया, बहुत काम सिखाया, हाथ पकड़ पकड़ के बहुत काम सिखाया। अभी भी बहुत कोऑपरेट करते हैं। वैसे ही सभी लोगों को करना चाहिए, सब लोगों को, ब्लाइंड स्टूडेंट्स हो चाहे कोई भी डिसेबल हो, उन लोगों को कोऑपरेट करना चाहिए, अपॉर्चुनिटी देना चाहिए, उन लोगों को डिस्करेज नहीं करना चाहिए।
As a company, you need to be committed to such causes. It's not going to be an easy path for anyone, neither for the children nor for the company as such. But having said that, I have seen a much higher level of commitment in children who we've hired from Dr. Agarwal's place. Primarily because for them the options are limited, and therefore they are looking at maximizing whatever they have, and therefore they tend to work harder. So certainly the attrition rate is much lower because several of the reasons, but one of the things is that if you treat them well, I think the sense of loyalty is much higher. I would strongly recommend. Certainly the gestation period is longer, but if you look at what you get in return, I think it's a worthwhile proposition.
We had in January the executive board members having their full EB meeting here, and at the same time we had almost 5 EB members visiting this facility, and they were absolutely delighted and very emotional to see how these people who are less privileged are trying to come back to the mainstream, and how Nokia Siemens has supported them. And a couple of them commented, why not we take these kind of projects globally across, especially where we operate in Middle East and Africa. India itself is so large that why not we replicate at other locations, which we'll try to do it at